Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG5120 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and you want to go ahead and search in the search menu for Canon PIXMA MG5120. Go ahead and search for that. Should say Canon support for PIXMA 5120, PIXMA MG5120, and it should be a canon.com domain. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to scroll down here, and you want to go underneath downloads and select software and drivers, and then select your operating system as well as the version if it's different for some reason. And then you want to select underneath software and driver results. Scroll down and select where it says My Printer. Go ahead and select the download option for that. And give that a moment. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and run that file. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time. So you can see it says Welcome to Canon My Printer Setup Program. This program will install Canon My Printer on your computer. Select Next. Select your region as well as country, and then next again. Select yes, and then you can change the destination folder if you choose, and we're going to select next. We're not going to change anything. We're going to create a shortcut on the desktop and select complete. And then we're going to go ahead and open up that shortcut, and you can select where it says printer settings, and where it says the supported printer cannot be detected, select settings. So make sure the printer is connected. The Wi-Fi settings are configured on the printer itself. And then once you have the software installed, it should be able to detect it automatically. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.